Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. I am working on an everyday life scrapbook album right now. So in it I have school pictures. This is first day of school for my grandchildren. And these are the photos that I'm working with. This is the first day of high school, and this is the two of them going to school. So I cut it, it was a 5x7, I cut it into a square. So I think she had like a $300 hairdo for this day. And then her nails got done too. They're like an inch long. Too funny. Okay, these are the papers that I'm working with for this page. There's a bunch of running shoes. I'm using this one for a border, frame. This one is for the background for the title, and this is the background for the both pages, and this is the frame for this one. So a nice combination of red and black and all primary colors. That makes it work. They're in pretty much black and gray clothes. So all right, so on this border I created with the shoe paper. So I just grouped it all together, so when you close the eye on that image, I don't expect you to cut out the running shoes. They're very detailed. It would be a nightmare. You could find some other kind of a paper to do your own. Just pick something different, or do maybe two running shoes. That would work as well. This is just a polka dot frame. I went into Design Space and found some back to school images. Here's the title. I found the crayons. I liked them because they were the right colors to go with the shoe paper. And I just redid the books in the colors to go with my page. So it's kind of a simple page. I put a little pattern on this paper to remind you to use pattern papers because they always make your photos look better. And I think I had to add, I did on this image, there was no shadow, and so there was also holes where all these little red slits are. So I put an offset on this. I'll show you how I did that, just for those of you who don't know how to do it. You just click on the image, on offset, wait till it appears. It'll come up, it's in a blue line here, and then you can adjust the size of that shadow layer as big as you want or as small as you want. I use the dot, and then you can just click apply. You can change it by numbers right here as well, but I just click apply. There it's added. Then you just group them, and then you can change the color of that. It always comes in black. If you group this, you can change the color of this afterwards to any color you want. So I'm just going to separate them. Oh, if you have your background like that and you don't want the holes, just click contour, and then here, hide all contours. Close that, and it's all filled in. I love that. Anyway, I'm going to get rid of that now because I've already done mine in the red. Okay, so now I'm going to cut this out and we're going to put this page together. It's a cute one. Okay, we're back. Going to put this page together now. I love it. It's turning out. I love the paper combination, the colors. It's just fun. It is a nice change to do kids' pages. I don't get to do them much anymore. The girls are growing up so much. Okay, so I'm placing my borders at the bottom, and then I have the frames. So I I matted the borders so that it would show up a little better. So I'm going to, I mat all of my photos. So I also have this big background for here, but first I have to put the frame, put this on the frame here so I know how to space it. I hope this isn't shaking the table too much. There we go. I love this photo of my granddaughter. Okay. Once I have everything taped on this, I will lift it up and I'll cut it with my guillotine cutter. I'll mark it with a pencil where it goes. So here's the title that goes on here. And these cute crayons, I think they just make this page. All the bright colors. They pick up all the colors from the shoes. So I think that's looking really cute. And then I have some books to put here. So at this point, this is for my layout, what I laid out. But I decided to embellish a little more, as I usually do. And I have this Creative Memories apple, chain of apples. I love that, and I thought that'd be cute right along the bottom of this photo. And I think I'm going to lift it so that it's up a bit, so it'll look really cute. And then I used another border. This one is the camera. It's the Creative Memories border punch as well. And ooh, dropped it. It's the photo chain border. I love this one too. So I thought I would put that at the bottom of this. It lines up perfectly, 3 of them, because it's photo day. And then I have a stash. I went into my stash and I looked for the school stuff that I have. So I found this, and it has this border of crayons, pencils, scissors, whatever. It's a bit juvenile, but it is the colors here, so I'm going to use it. I'm going to put it under there, and I'll cut it and put the rest over here so that it'll do the whole thing. I guess I should do that then. I also found this really cute, in this grouping of stickers, I found this pencil, or this case, with a bunch of pencils that I'm going to put on top of the books. And I'll do that once I've glued the books down. And then I found in this packet these tacks. I'm going to put the tack on the photos here as if it's just pinned to a bulletin board. And this one will go over here as if it's pinned to a bulletin board. I just like the little details. I'll probably use this in here somewhere. Like that. And maybe I'll use some of the sticker ones, something on this side. So, embellishing is lots of fun for me. Oh yes, I'm taking this out. I wonder, this is very old. Wait, I can't get it out. I'm going to have to cut the whole side. Okay, now it'll open. There we go. Better move this. Okay, so this is going to fit. I better not put this down yet because I have to, well, it'll fit to this. I can cut it. It'll fit to the end of the pencil. And then I'll put the rest here. But I can't put that down until I tape the bottom border. Otherwise it'll shift on me, right? I'm loving this page. I guess it's because I love color. And so I love all the bright pages. What is this? Okay, now I can put this down on this side. There, it looks cute. It's just another little detail. And this paper isn't lining up. I'm thinking it should be turned maybe. There we go. Now it all lines up properly. Just a stickler for these little details. Now I can put down this part of the border. And I'm just going to... Ooh. Okay, now I'll take this. I think that little border is so adorable. And this is going to go right here. There we go. Oh, I have to fix this. It is a bit crooked. I don't like it when things are crooked. There. All right, we're good now. All right, so after I've got these borders, I'm going to lift those. I can't lift this because it's right on the seam in the middle. So I'll tape this down really well and then I'll cut it. So I do have some enamel dots in red, green, and black. So I think I'm going to put some green ones over here. I cut the tops off all these envelopes because I can't stand these sticky things at the back. I hate opening them. Maybe I'll do a big one. And then a medium one. Have to get it lined up properly. And then a small one. Whoops. And then on this side, yeah, I have to do the green again. I'm going to put them here. One. And then the medium. I'll do them on the angle this time. Okay. I think maybe I could use a marker and make some marks on this ruler. It's looking very blah. I used a marker to write the names of the books, just different subjects. And now I'm thinking this page is done. So I hope you enjoyed watching it. I love this one. So it'll give you an idea for your next back to school page. Thanks for watching.